Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone app crashing and freezing. Simple and easy steps. Step 1. Close and reopen the app. Now swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. Then find the app that's frozen and swipe it up to close it completely. Then reopen the app from your home screen. Step 2. Restart your iPhone. Now press and hold the power button plus volume button. Then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds. Then turn your iPhone back on. This clears temporary glitch. Step 3. Check for app updates. Now open App Store, then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then tap on Apps. Now scroll down and tap Update next to the app or tap Update All. Step 4. Update iOS. Now go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Now install any available updates. New updates often fix app crashes and bugs. Step 5. Check storage space. Open Settings, then General, then iPhone storage. If storage is almost full, delete unused apps, photos or videos. Low storage can cause app to freeze. And that's how you can fix iPhone app crashing and freezing. Also follow those steps and your apps should run smoothly again. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.